Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to a new video of mine. You guys seem to have liked one of my recent uploads about the Google Home Mini. So in this video, I've got a Google Home Mini product from Kiwi Design. They're the ones that sent this out to me. It's a little battery base for your Google Home Mini, and it makes it completely wireless. And I think it's a pretty cool idea. I haven't used it yet. We're going to be testing it out in this video. They also sent me this little wall mount for the Google Home Mini, so I'll show you guys that too in this video. If you're interested in them, I'll link them in the description below. They're just sold on regular Amazon. So let's just get into the video, guys. Okay guys, here's the battery base by Kiwi Design for the Google Home Mini. I'm just gonna go straight into it. This instruction manual, of course, and here's the base. This is like a silicone rubber base, so I guess it's also very protective, so if you do drop it while you're carrying it around, your Google Home will be fine. It seems pretty durable. Looks like here is the power button, and that is going to be where you charge it. You'll notice the box doesn't have a cable with it. That's because you could just use the same power adapter that came with your Google Home to charge this thing. It's just regular micro USB. So yeah, you charge it here, you power it on here. Let's turn it on right now, see if there's any battery. There we go. So I got 3 lights on the front here. I'm assuming there's probably 4 total, so this comes with a little bit of a charge. And in order to hook up the Google Mini, there's a cable right on the inside right here. There we go. I'm going to plug it in right now. Okay, there we go. It's actually turning on. Forgot to mention, you also have this little wristband here. So as you can see, the setup was like super simple. It already came with a battery charge in it. I just plugged the cable into the Google Home and plop it in there. It holds it pretty tight in there. It won't fall out. All you need to do to take it out when it's in here is pry up the corners like this. But the cool thing is you can actually just keep it in this case. So when this battery is all charged up, you can carry it around portably. And when the battery's dying or you're done carrying it around, you can just plug it in and charge the battery, and at the same time it'll power the Google Home. So this can be like a permanent base for it. You never really will have to take it back out. And since Kiwi Design sells these things in 3 different colors, they have one for each Google Home color. One more thing to note about this battery base is it's a 7,800 milliamp battery, and they claim that it'll last all day on a single charge. So yeah, that's pretty much all I can say for this. So now that I've showed you that, I'm going to real quick show you guys the wall mount that they sent me. And here it is. Oh yes, they showed this in their pictures. They also include a magnet mount inside of this, and I'll show you how that works. Okay, so it comes in 2 little pieces like this. This is made up of the same rubber material as that. So it looks like this is going to hold your Google Home, and this is going to wrap up your power adapter. So let me try to set that up. Alright, so this is what I got so far. The power adapter fits perfectly inside this rubber piece here. The next thing you gotta do, turn it inside out like that, and you can start wrapping the cable up in here. Okay, here's what I got now after wrapping up the cable. Conceals it pretty well. And then you pull this through the little hole here, and I'm gonna put the Google Home inside of this. Alright guys, I got it all set up. That's the gist of it. So the way it connects is these 2 pieces are magnets, and boom, there you go. And that's where these little magnets I showed you earlier come into play. So you can take this and plug this piece into the wall, and then kind of mount the Google Home on your actual wall if you'd like, or any other surface using this adhesive magnet. I think either one of these things would be a good gift for the holidays if you know anybody that's got a Google Home. So yeah guys, that about wraps up this video. If you want to check out either one of these, they both come in different colors. I'll leave them linked in the description and the comments section. I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching.